everyone. Welcome to Wim's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I am your girl Norleen with another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. So come along with me in the kitchen where I will be doing for you another authentic Jamaican meal.
Welcome, family and friends, to my kitchen. Recently, I met a guy from Congo and he was so fascinated with Jamaican foods and he wanted me to do this recipe. And so I have a kilogram of mixed beans and I've washed it and I placed it in a pot with a liter of water. I've added 2 bay leaves, 3 cloves of garlic, about 6 pressed pimento seeds. Cover to cook for about 20 minutes.
If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and press the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification so as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. To all my loyal viewers and subscribers who continue to make this whimsical journey week after week, thank you wholeheartedly, and remember to give me some thumbs up, like my video, and start conversation in the comment section. Share your thoughts about this video and suggest other meals that you would like to see me prepare.
To prepare for the next step, I will mix my coconut milk. It's a pack of coconut powder. I will mix this in a cup of water and then I will add my blended seasoning. I have red blended seasoning and green blended seasoning. The red blended seasoning contains all red peppers, onions, and scotch bonnet pepper. The green blended seasoning is all green vegetables. Now guys, I've blended this and after 20 minutes I will add it all to the beans. Now guys, if you notice the color of the water has changed, that's the magic of the beans. So add your coconut milk, guys. I will then add some powdered seasoning to flavor the beans and the sauce. So I'm adding some Montreal steak seasoning, some oxtail seasoning, some garlic and parsley blend, about half a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna add some thyme leaves. Cover this to cook for about 15 minutes.
If you are celebrating a birthday, an anniversary, or any other extra special milestones in your life, congratulations to you and happy birthday from Wim's Kitchen. Wim's Kitchen loves you with all my heart.
So Wim's family, after 20 minutes, it's time to nice up the pot. I've added a drop of browning, a teaspoon of brown sugar, and I've washed and added the rice. Now, people, if you don't know, or Caribbean people wash rice, please check the description box for a link. I've added some butter, and then I will cover my rice to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes.
Please follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen and like my Facebook page at Walking in My Mother's Shoes.
So there it is, Wim's family. See there, after 15 minutes, it's done. It's basmati rice and beans.
The food for thought comes to us today from
Galatians 2 verse 20. I have been crucified with Christ and I no longer live, but Christ lives in me. The life I now live in the body, I live by faith in the Son of God who loved me and gave himself for me. Oh my God, I am so worthy to Christ that he gave himself for me. All right, guys, see there? It's all ready. Mama cooking is always the best. So guys, me do some salmon to go along with this rice and beans, and so I'm just showing you how I did this. I basically add seasoning and a pinch of salt and baking powder to the flour. I then flour the salmon. I then put it in an egg wash, add breadcrumbs to it, place it in the air fryer on 15 minutes at 350 degrees. And then, guys, I made a buttery sauce to go with this. But simply add about 2 tablespoons of butter in, some garlic, some onion, some scallion, guys, some ginger. I stir this in with some carrot, then I add some tomatoes and bell peppers. And guys, allow this to simmer with some green seasoning. Now, guys, see what the air fry salmon looks like. Inside is soft, it's juicy. And guys, see there, once again, it's another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Dinner is served. Now, if you're interested to see how I did this delicious salmon, please drop it in the comment section.
It was my pleasure doing for you another authentic Jamaican meal. Thank you for coming along with me in the kitchen, where I did for you cooking Jamaican style.
I'll see you next week on my Jamaican cooking journey,
where Whim's Kitchen do it for you week after week the whimsical way.